this workshop was awesome. So really hands-on, to get a feeling for the product also, especially the air blasting, was really fun.
I'm glad to be like a friend with my colleagues all over the world.
Yes, I'm happy to be here. Actually, this is my first time to Europe and France as well, and I'm glad that be together and have a session with my colleagues.
Absolutely, I am impressed how professionally this training is prepared here in the Tech Center in Le Chelat.